Hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our DSA challenge series. So let's get started. So guys, today our question is find k pairs with smallest sum. So in this question, we are given two distinct arrays, which are sorted in order, and we need to find k such pairs, which have the minimum sum. The condition is that in a particular pair, one element should be from one array and another element should be from another array. So in this way, we need to find minimum number of, k pairs which are having minimum sum of the two elements. So this is a very standard problem of, we can say, priority queue. Now priority queue is generally used when from bunch of things we need k maximum or k minimum things. So, and when we need k minimum, then generally we tend to use max heaps, and when we need k maximum, then we tend to use min heaps. So how this works is we can have a max heap priority queue. So max heap, so maximum element is at the top. So we need not care about, so we are assured that the elements in it are under the maximum element are already smaller than that. So that is we are sure of. Now what we will do, we can try out all the pairs and we can select k pairs from priority queue. So how we are going to do it? We will first have an answer initialized, then a priority queue, max heap. Now we will traverse the arrays. Essentially, you can say that we are making out all the pairs and then we will calculate the sum. Now, if the size is less than k, then we will first push the sum, and now we have a priority queue with pair of int and again a pair. Okay, so we are going to store sum as well as the pairs. So priority queue will sort it according to the sum, but we will need pairs as we have to return it. Had it asked the sum or that kind of things, we wouldn't have done this. No problem. So pq dot push sum and these two elements. Now if the size is already k, so we are only interested in k size priority queue. If it is already k, then if the sum is smaller than the maximum element, then the maximum sum in the given priority queue, then we will definitely entertain it and we will add it as we need the minimum sum. Else, we are going to simply break out from the, uh, as the arrays are sorted and we need not do any further, uh, what we call that things. So finally, we will empty the priority queue and put those values in the answer array and return that answer array. So yeah guys, this is how we can solve this question. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you like the video, you like the question, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button and share it with your friends. Thank you so much guys. We shall see you next time.